Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How much cash can I deposit into my Monese account? Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why this question is important. Monese is a great banking option for people who are on the go or who don't have a traditional bank account. One of the key benefits of Monese is that you can deposit cash into your account using a variety of methods, including ATMs, post offices, and convenience stores. However, there is a limit to how much cash you can deposit into your Monese account at once. This limit is in place to help prevent fraud and money laundering. So, how much cash can you deposit into your Monese account? The answer is, it depends on your account type. Standard account. The maximum amount of cash that you can deposit into your standard account is £2,500 per day. Premium account. The maximum amount of cash that you can deposit into your premium account is £5,000 per day. In addition to the daily deposit limit, there is also an annual deposit limit. The annual deposit limit for standard accounts is £20,000 and the annual deposit limit for premium accounts is £40,000. It's important to note that these are the maximum limits. You can deposit less than the maximum amount if you want. How to deposit cash into your Monese account? There are a few different ways to deposit cash into your Monese account. ATMs. You can use any ATM that displays the Visa or MasterCard logo to deposit cash into your Monese account. Post offices. You can deposit cash into your Monese account at any post office in the UK. Convenience stores. You can deposit cash into your Monese account at certain convenience stores in the UK. To deposit cash into your Monese account, you will need to provide your Monese card and PIN. You will also need to enter the amount of cash that you want to deposit. Important considerations. Before you deposit cash into your Monese account, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Fees. There may be fees associated with depositing cash into your Monese account. These fees will vary depending on the method that you use. Processing time. It can take up to 24 hours for your cash deposit to be processed. This means that you will not be able to access the funds immediately. Limits. As I mentioned earlier, there are limits to how much cash you can deposit into your Monese account. If you try to deposit more than the limit, your transaction will be declined. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about how to deposit cash into your Monese account, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.